Next, I will move to another topic, that is VPC peering. Okay, the theoretical concept I have explained you. So VPC peering is used to communicate between two VPCs. Okay, so if you want to communicate with the two VPCs, we need to peer this with each other. Okay, so in the last class we have learned how to make a setup to communicate between two subnets with one VPC. Now in this session, we'll see how to connect. See, as you can observe in this infrastructure, so here we have VPC1, here we have VPC2, and we can communicate this with VPC peering setup. Okay, so we'll start that. So first what we'll do, we'll log into our AWS account. So here, go to services and go to VPC. Okay, so same procedure, same. You just create the VPC, but here we need to create two VPCs. Go to your VPC. Here, click on create VPC. Fine. So here VPC only. So here I will give VPC 1. Okay. And then CIDR number should be 10.0.0.0.0 /16. Then come down. This should be default and create VPC. Okay, we have created one VPC. Then again we'll create one more VPC here. So VPC 1 we have created. Create one more VPC. VPC 2. So here the CIDR number should be 192.168.0.0/16. Okay, here it should be tenancy should be default. Same, just create VPC. So once you have done with this, we need to create subnet. Okay, for VPC 1 and VPC 2, go to subnet. So here, go to create subnet. Here, select first VPC 1. For VPC 1, we'll create. So copy this. Same you need to give here CADR block, but instead of 16, you have to give 24. Okay. Then here you can give subnet 1. Subnet 1. Come down and click on create. So subnet 1 we have created. Then we'll create another subnet for subnet 2. Sorry, for VPC 2. Come down, copy this. Paste the same CADR, but instead of 16, you have to give 24. Okay. So then you can give the name subnet. Okay. This should be for VPC 3. So two subnets we have created. Next, we need to create internet gateway, because here we have two VPCs. With respect to those VPCs, we have created a subnet. Right? For each subnet, we need to create internet gateway, because we have created two subnets, two VPCs, right? To communicate with the internet. So click on create internet gateway. So here you can give IGW1. So just create it. Next, one more we create. So we need to attach this internet gateway. So for that, you can follow the same procedure what I had done, or else you just click on this attach to VPC here. Once it is created, click on VPC1, attach it. One more will create, select this, go to create VPC. Here you can give IGW2. So just create it. Next, attach it. So click on attach VPC. Here it should be VPC2. Click on attach internet gateway. Okay. We are done with this internet gateway. Next, we need to define a route table. Same procedure, but here the difference is we have created two VPCs here. We have route table. Here you can give route table 1 to each VPC, VPC1. Come down and create. So once we have done with this route table 1, we need to associate this. So we need to associate this with edit subnet association. We need to associate this with subnet 1. Click on save association. Okay. So then Again, select this. We need to define the root table. Click on edit root table and we'll give 0.0. It should be. Then it should be internet gain. So we have IGW1. So we have done with this root table 1. Then we create root table 2. Create root table. Select VPC2. Then click on create. After that, we need to associate. Click on root table again. Select the root table 2. Click on subnet association. Click on edit subnet association and associate this with subnet. Again, click on root table. Select the root table 2. Define the roots. These roots and you can do 0.0. Here it should be internet gateway. It should be for IGW2. So till now, I hope everybody know about this. If you are done with the previous session, okay. So once you create this, see, as I told you, here we are trying to make a setup to communicate between two VPCs. But as of now, what we have done, we can access VPC, okay, and we can access internet in that specific VPC, right? But here, what we are doing, we are trying to make a communication between two VPCs. As you can observe in this, here, so this setup we have done, this setup we have done, but we need to make this setup also. For that, what we have to do, come down here, here we have peering connection. This is very important. So here, click on create peering connection. So here you can give peering from region also, same region also. And we can communicate the VPC which is having in another account, current accounts also you can pair with, can make a communication by using this method. As well as you can make a setup communicate with the different region also. That we'll see later, we'll see VPC2. Because we are doing under one region itself. Once we have done with this, we can create here. So once we have created peering, come down again. Peering, you can observe here the pending acceptance. Accept this pending. Select the peering. Here we have to click on accept request. Now it is done. Now what we have table, right? Root table. Why? We need to define, so with this peering, this root table 1 and root table 2 has to communicate. Okay, this VPC1 and VPC2 should communicate, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to root table 1 first. So first we'll select root table 1, go to root, click on edit root. Here we need to define our, see this is root table 1, right? Okay, for this we need to define VPC2 CIDR number. So what is VPC2 CIDR number? What is VPC2 CIDR number? That is 192.168.0.060. Here you have to give PER peering connection. Click here, you will get the peering connection. VPC2. Under VPC1, we are making connection between VPC2. So for VPC1 root table, you have to give CIDR VPC2. Again, go to root table 2, root table, select the root table 2, go to root and click on edit root. So here add it, you have to give 10.0.0.16, right? Then you can give peering for root 1. See, automatically it will come. Okay, so peering connection will come. So here we need to define. So for root table 2, it is root table 2. We need to peer this with root table 1. Say check this. So once you have done with this, now we will create EC2 instance in each VPC. Okay, so for that go to services and click on EC2 instance. So here you need to create carefully. Okay, so click on instances, then click on launch instances. So here you can give server 1. Okay, so click on Windows, then come down, make sure that it should be free type, then and also you have to make sure that this should also be free type. So key pair, what I will do, I will create new key pair for VPC peering. Okay, VPC peering, create key pair. So same key pair we will use for 2 instances. So once you have done with this, so here we need to create security group, we need to edit here for network setting. Here VPC 1 we need to select, subnet 1 should be select, come down, see auto assign IP. Okay, what we need to do here, we need to enable this. Okay, you need to enable, then we need to create new security group, that is VPC peering security group. Okay, so here for security group rule, what we need to do, we need to define RDP anywhere, and one more rule we have to do. Okay, so that is, yeah, this one, ICMP IPv4. Okay, for this we need to make anywhere, and this should be all. Okay, everything we have done. So click on this protocol. Yeah, we have done all. Then so cross check it. So this should be enabled. So once you create it, you cannot edit it. Okay, that's why you need to verify properly. So here we have done with the why the security group is not fetching. Let's check security group. So existing already we have given now. So create security group already we have done. Description we can write, or else not an issue. ICM4 anywhere. Okay, anywhere. No, thing is that sometimes it will create a problem. It doesn't exist. Security group doesn't exist. Let me check here once again. Okay, we need to click. Yeah, we are done with this. Security group. If you do one thing, wait for a while. Yeah. So here was the problem we are getting. We have created security group, right? So create security group we have created, and yeah, I once why valid value of port range ICMP. Why ICMP? What we have given? In security group, it's a custom. Sorry, it's not custom. It's all ICMP v4. Okay, that is not a custom. Okay, so it should be anywhere. And click on launch. Oh, why? What we'll do? We'll create new security group. No. Okay. For RDP, it should be anywhere. This will remove, we'll create new one. So go to all ICMP v4. It should be ICMP, this should be anywhere. Okay. Fine. Click on launch. Yeah, now it is done. Yeah, we are done with this. Okay, click on view all instances. Now we'll create another server. Okay, another EC2 instance. Server 2. Okay, come down, click on Windows. Come down. Here we'll select the existing key pair itself. Where is that? Apex peering. Where is that? Yeah, peering, that's there. VPC peering, right? Where is that? VPC peering. Yeah, here. Select this, come down and click on edit network setting. It should be VPC2 and it should be subnet 2. Okay, once we are done with this, this should be enable auto assign. So create security, I will use existing only. Which one? Here it is not showing. Why? It has to show, or else we'll create new one. Okay, come down, it should be anywhere. Add role, it should be all. ICMPv4, it should be anywhere. Click on launch. So we are done with this. Okay, so click on instances. So here we have launched two EC2 instances. Okay, so now we will communicate, we will access RDP. So, okay, one has been connected. Select this, go to connect. So here, 1 minute, I will open Notepad. Go to copy. So go to instances. Again, go to server 1. And here I will copy the private IP, because through the private IP only I need to communicate, right? So select this, go to connect, click on RDP client. Here download remove RDP. So once you have done with this, so click on get password. We need to upload the private key. So here VPC peering is there. Then decrypt it. Here we have server 1. Private IP should be this one. Then password for RDP is 1 minute. RDP password is this one. Okay. Now open your RDP machine. So click on connect. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. I need to connect this to from my mobile internet, because in my from my office Wi-Fi it is not working. I will try to connect here. I hope I need to download one more, or we'll see whether it will connect. Yeah, it is connecting now. See what you need to do. So once you are done with this, so here you need to click on this server 1, and here we need to connect it and paste the password of this RDP. Paste it and connect it. Okay, so let it connect. So once it is connected, again we'll go to instances, we'll connect server 2 also. So click on this. So copy your private IP. So here what you have to do, server. Here private IP. We'll launch RDP. So here download remote desktop. So here click on get password. So upload private key. So click on VPC peering and decrypt password. So and copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you need to open this server 2 machine. So now we will try to connect server 1 in server 2 or in server 2 in server 1. Okay. Yeah. So how we can connect? I will show you. See now here we have already opened this server. See 10.0.0.0.24. This is VPC 1. Okay. So as you can verify here, this is VPC 1. See, this is server 1. So we'll communicate, we'll try to access this server 2. Okay. So copy the private IP. Okay. What you have to do, you need to search here RDP. Remote desktop. So click on this. And here in the computer name, you have to provide your IP. Okay. Private IP of server 2. Enter it. So once you enter, so here the username should be administrator itself. If you are practicing, give this username itself. Password should be this one. So I will copy the password from here. So password of this is this one. Okay. Paste it and give OK. So now it is launching. So we can easily communicate. We are accessing server 2 in server 1 machine. See here. If you minimize this, you will be in the server. Okay, same way you can do it. You can access server 1. Okay, I will copy this IP. I will access server 1 from server 2. So here we have server 2. Okay. Here we have server 2. So this is server 1. Okay, sorry, I have disconnected that one. So once again I will open that. So where is that? Yeah, here server 2 will open. Connect this. Okay, and this is server 2, right? Okay, 1 minute. Minimize this first. Okay. So now what we'll do? We can communicate this. See why it has closed means already we have opened. That's why. Okay. So what I will do, I will just close this. Okay. Now I will open server 2. Then we will access server 1. Okay. So open this server 2. Yes. So server 2 copy. Click on connect. Paste it here and give OK. Now we will copy this private IP. We will enter into this and we'll access server 1 from server. So we need to test it right once we have created. We are done with this. So here you open your RDP. Just give RDP or remote. If you press RDP, you will get it here. So click on RDP connection. And here you have to give IP of private IP of server 1. Enter and click on connect. So administrator. And minimize this and copy this password and paste it here. See. See, we can able to communicate server 1 from server 2 itself. See? Got it? So any doubts? So just close this. So got it now. How we have connected the server. See here we have one more server. You can minimize this. Okay. So this is how you can communicate. See, I am opening server 2 and again I am opening server 1 from server 2. See? Hope you have understood this one. And one more difference I will show you. If you won't make a root table, if you delete the root table of VPC peering, what will happen? What will happen? So go to services here and here go to VPC. So can see, can we connect? So go to internet gateway. If you disconnect this, we cannot able to communicate. So go to IGW. So here what I will do, it is in sorry, go to root table, not IGW. So here go to root table 1, go to roots, edit root table. So what I will do, I will remove this. Once I remove this, so we cannot able to communicate, right? So the difference I am showing you. So once I delete this for root table 2 also, see this is, yeah, now we'll see. So go to server 1. So what I will do, I will the password of server 1 and I will copy the IP of server 2 and I will try to communicate, I will try to access the server 2 also. Let's see what happens. Click on this. Click on connect. It cannot, we cannot able to communicate because VPC peering we have not done. Okay, so intentionally we had it to make you understand in a better way. Okay, see, you will get like this. So this is how you can set up your VPC peering to communicate between two VPCs.